Uh-oh, here's Vivian. Charlotte's pushing her out. She's going to do some paddle boarding. June 30th, 2016. Must have been a duck sneeze. Beautiful day. We just came back from a kayak trip across the lake to get foot-long hot dogs. What is Vivian going to do? Vivian, what are you doing? Interesting. Let's see if she can get back on. She did. It's a success. Good job. Paddle towards me, Vivian.
There's rocks over here.
Rocks. Beautiful day to be doing this today. Just beautiful on the lake. Wow, look at that. Here she comes. She's a very good paddle boarder.